Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel PHP Developer Panki. Previous video I have showed you how to create a configuration form in just 1 minute in 2 brush commands. But today I will going to show you how to create conditional. Okay, so I will just include few more code lines in my uh, existing configuration form which I created in previous video. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so I will search first Google configuration form, conditional form field Drupal 10. You will search conditional form field and Drupal 10, and then we'll go to first link conditional form. Okay, and here it is explaining how to create a conditional form. Like you can see the example. If you're clicking the checkbox, if clicking on the other, then text box is opened, otherwise it was hidden. So this kind of configuration form we are going to create. Okay, so we'll go down here also. It is a one more example. Then only it is enabling the text box when we are clicking on the other radio box. In this below one we have full code. Actually it is mentioned full code, so we will copy this code and paste in our existing form. Okay, yeah, okay. So now as you can see, color select is a field and radius is the type of that field, and we have few options for the radio fields. And if we are and this will be enabled only, these will be enabled only when custom means text box. This is our text box field id is equal to field custom, this one, and this is having this id as you can see. So when the value of the text box will be blank, then these radio buttons will be enabled, otherwise it will be disabled. And this is our text box, and this will be visible only if input color select that is above 1, when value of above 1 will be other only. So let me just save this file and reload the page of the configuration form. Now you can see, so configuration form is changed to this one. As you can see, radio button is there, and if I will be clicking on other, okay, the text box is open now. And if I will be entering anything, okay, yeah, and if I will be, yeah, you can see if I will be writing anything, so it is disabling. Now we can't select any of the radio box buttons. So this one is also, so this is disabled if we are having some values in the text box, emptying it, so it is. And there is one more field, so we'll copy this and paste. And what is the value of this custom color? This is the text box field name. Okay, now we are again going to reload the page to check the changes it's reflecting or not. And now if we are selecting anything and saving the form, let me see it is saving or not. Configuration have been saved, but value is still not coming. Why? Because we haven't taken the default value actually. Okay, so we were missing the default value. Okay, so what we will do, when the form is here and this is states is here, so after this we will just write this is closing over here, so we will write default value will be color select over here, and this is here. So before this we'll be having this default value over here as well, and its value is custom color. So what it will do, it will just show the saved value in the form itself. If I will be reloading the page, now you can see I have saved the blue as a value of this form, so that is why it is showing as a blue. If I will save white, so it will, after reloading, it will show the value of the form, it is as a white. Okay, so that's it. I hope you understood how to create conditional fields in the configuration form. If not, I will try to explain you in the comment section as well. Thank you. Bye bye.